Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time here, kindly do what to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video like this. So without too much of your time, let's get right into the gist of today. So guys, at this point, Kizz doesn't even have any bad songs. Like every song this guy drops is always a banger. So you guys know Buga trended and everyone really loved that song, and now Kizz is back with this new jam titled Cough, aka ODO. And ever since this song dropped, everybody has been going crazy over it. Even little kids as well joined the challenge of this song, and it's really hilarious seeing this adorable kids dancing to Kizz Daniel's ODO. So guys, I'm going to be playing this compilation of adorable kids dancing to Kizz Daniel's Cough, aka ODO, and you guys are going to tell me who you think killed it the most in the comment section. See you guys towards the end of this video. So guys, this is where I draw the curtain to a close to this beautiful and adorable video of this amazing kids dancing to Kizz Daniel Cough, aka ODO. Thanks you guys for watching. It's been your boy America James, and I'll see you guys some other time. Peace out.